Governor Beshear unveils a new plan for long-term recovery in eastern Kentucky today. It begins with a 75-acre high-ground community in Knott County that will allow homeowners to rebuild while attracting new business. The site is the first of several locations in eastern Kentucky being considered for rebuilding projects and can expand up to 300 acres to meet the need of the community. Beshear expects these projects to not only help local residents, but entire communities hit hardest by the floods.
This vision includes a lot. It starts with new homes. It adds a community center. What a better place to consider building a school. And how about we build it with upgraded infrastructure that doesn't just help new neighborhoods, but helps communities.
In addition to the sites, Beshear awarded more money for nonprofit organizations and announced a new partnership with the Foundation for Appalachian Kentucky to help with home repairs.